All right, y'all, that is the first Japanese tiger melon that I've ever grown, and it is ready to harvest. So we're gonna get that thing pulled before any critters get to it, get it inside and give it a taste. I've never had one of these, let alone grown one of these. So sit back, relax. This will be a quick video. Y'all are riding shotgun. So here we go. Noticed that melon the other day when I actually saw that one. And then I looked down, I was like, hey. Then I also have another melon right there behind it, which is the banana melon from Baker. Oh, y'all, literally just saw this melon. Check it out. That is a Tigger melon from Baker Creek. When they are growing, they're green. When they're ripe, they turn orange. So we are going to do a harvest and taste on two different melons. That's kind of fun, and I was not expecting that, 100%. Ooh, look at that. All right, y'all, look at how pretty both of these are. This right here is what gardening's all about. You go outside to literally just check things and you see something like that. The smell on these are insane. I can't wait. Come on, Joe, it's too hot, baby. Let's go in the house. Say, whoa, it's hot. Go. All right, y'all, it's the next day. I decided why not just give these a day to just kind of chill in the house, and then we'll cut into them. I have to say the smell is so strong on both of these, like just a strong citrusy melon smell. That's insane. Now, let me warn everyone, when your melons start to get ripe and they start to smell like a melon, if we can smell it, rodents can smell it. And when I first started growing the Tigger melons, which I'm showing right here, was the first time I started having rats in my backyard. So make sure that as they're growing, you're watching and you're out there making sure that when they start to ripen, when they turn the color that they're going to turn, when they are ripe, you get them off that vine quick. You do not want rodents to get a smell on these, because I can't stop smelling it. It is so good. This one smells way better, like more melony, this Tigger melon right here, than the Japanese one, the Japanese Tiger melon. But just look how beautiful that is. I mean, both of them are just gorgeous little melons. But enough of all this. Let's find out how they taste. Okay, let's start with this one. This one was laying on the ground as y'all saw me harvest it, so it's got that little spot. It's soft-ish, not fully. I just really hope this thing is ripe, because it's supposed to be at this stage. So, all right, here we go. Moment of truth. All right, let's check out the inside together. Okay. Definitely melony. Look at all those seeds, y'all. I will be saving those. All right, hollow on the inside. I wasn't expecting that. Okay, cool. Oh, very, very good smelling melon inside smell. All right, this one. Really excited to try this one. Okay, here we go. Ooh, like butter. I can already tell this is going to be so juicy. Look at that, y'all. Tons of seeds. Goodness. That is awesome. All right, I was not prepared, if I'm being completely honest, for all the seeds. So we're just gonna scoop them out, lay them out to where they can dry. And off camera, I will totally take care of this. But for right now, just right here on the spot, I just want to get the seeds out. Seeds are tiny, y'all. Look how small they are. Again, this one is the Japanese Tiger Melon. This one right here. But I'm just going to scoop out the seeds for both plants, both melons, I mean, real quick here. So, Tiger Melon. That way I don't get them confused. Now, we will do this one. There are so many seeds. This is awesome. So there you go, y'all. You grow just one of these melons, save the seeds, and you're gonna have seeds forever. Okay, now I'm going to save most of this for my girlfriend and her grandson because they love melons. So I'm just going to cut me a little piece off of each one that I can try. Look at that. I thought I got all the seeds out and I still have seeds in that on there. Okay, so those are the two pieces I'm going to try. So here we go. Now, I am not a big melon fan. I'm just not. Never have been. But I'm always excited to try new things. One fun thing about gardening, right, is you can plant stuff. You're not sure if you're going to like it or not. Try it. If you don't like it, give it to someone who does. If you do like it, well, hey, you got something new that you didn't know you liked. So here we go. This is the Japanese Tiger Melon. Again, smells so good. Not, I mean, like a melon would smell, I guess. Not like a watermelon, but just smells really good. All right, let's give it a shot. Okay, I don't have a frame of. All right, I don't have a frame of reference for melons. I think it's a good melon. It's mild on the melon side. Again, I can't place it. Maybe close to maybe a honeydew, something. Not a cantaloupe. That is the Kajari melon. It's a good melon. I like it. It's not something I would eat a lot because I don't like melons that much, but this one was pretty good. I don't know how to reference it though. So if you think of a watermelon, you know that strong watermelon flavor. Okay, this is not it, but just go with me. If you think of melons, then there are certain melons that have a really strong melon flavor. This one is a mild melon flavor. That's the best way I can try to explain that one. It's a good melon, I'm not gonna lie. I don't have any bad aftertaste going right now. Pretty good, not gonna lie. All right, this is the Tigger Melon. This smells so good, y'all. White flesh, so I'm assuming it'd be something like a honeydew. Not sure, let's find out. Okay, I don't like melons. This is not bad at all. It is a stronger melon flavor than this one, but I like this one better. But if you're a big melon person, you're gonna love this. I don't really know what honeydews and stuff taste like because it's been so long since I've tried them. Man, the texture was way firmer than I thought it was going to be, so it kind of threw me off there at the very beginning. If you saw my face, definitely not a bad melon at all. I don't know how to explain it. Melon flavor. Not quite like I guess a cantaloupe consistency right here, but not the cantaloupe flavor. Just the consistency of the melon itself. It's actually pretty good now that I'm kind of letting it soak in a little bit. I still think, and I didn't think I would like the Japanese Tiger Melon better. I thought I would like the Tigger Melon better, but I don't. I like the Japanese Tiger Melon better than this one. And the Kajari melon, I know I keep bringing that up, but that's the first melon that I really grew, and I'm pretty good at growing out there. That one, so far, is my favorite melon. But this one might be right on its heels. Really good, really good. Both of those are good. Both good melon flavors. I know I'm rambling. Both really good melon flavors. All right, so let me just sum this up. If you like melons, you're gonna like both of these. If you are a melon person, you will like both of these for sure. No doubt. Both were very good. Very, very good. Now that it's really hitting me, they're really good. All right, everyone, so that's the video. Hope you all enjoyed it. Hope you got something out of it. Hope you learned something, and if nothing else, at least now you know you could try these different melons. Give them a shot. From what I've noticed, so from this size to that size to harvest, about 10 days. Maybe just a smidge longer, 2 weeks, somewhere right in that range. And then they're producing and doing really well. So if y'all have been on the fence about trying different melons, I hope you give both of these a shot. I got both the seeds from Baker Creek, and you saw in both those melons, you grow one melon to maturity, and you're not gonna have to buy seeds anymore if you save them. So that's a big win to me. All right, everyone, if y'all enjoyed this video, if you got anything out of it, do me the 3 favors: share, like, and subscribe to this channel if you've not done so already. Everyone, take care. May God continue to bless each and every one of you. Continue to shine bright and harvest hard. Get in your gardens and harvest, harvest, harvest. Plant something new. Give it a shot. You might love it. I'll talk to y'all again real soon. Bye.